Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your Windows account is active and connected so sign-in tokens can refresh. Next, open Xbox Game Bar with Win plus G and trigger the sign-in prompt. This forces the app to surface auth errors. If that fails, restart Xbox-related services and apps, use services or settings apps to stop, and relaunch Xbox services processes. Once done, make sure Windows updates are installed. Missing updates often block authentication flows and should be applied before continuing. Now you'll handle account tokens and cached data because stale credentials commonly break sign-in. Sign out of your Microsoft account in Settings accounts and sign back in to force token renewal. Then clear caches, run WS Reset for the store, and use app settings to reset Xbox Game Bar. If that still fails, open PowerShell as admin and re-register the app package with AdApps Package Register. This repairs corrupt app manifests. Make sure to reboot after these steps so changes take effect. Finish by verifying system-level blockers. Ensure time, date, and region are correct because authentication fails if clocks differ. Temporarily disable VPNs and third-party firewalls, then attempt to sign in again. These network filters often block Microsoft auth endpoints. If problems persist, create a new local Windows profile and test Game Bar, sign in there to see if the issue is profile-specific. If that isolates the problem, migrate settings or reset the original profile. This targeted test is the quickest way to pinpoint cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.